Plasma protein. Page number 141. Quantitative test for urine protein. Heat and acetic acid. A sample of freshly collected urine is mixed with 3% of acetic acid and heated over a flame to boil. The turbidity or cloudy precipitate indicates the presence of protein, mainly albumin. Normal urine gives a negative test. Sulfosalicylic acid test. To 5 ml clear urine, 0.5 ml of sulfosalicylic acid is added. White precipitate or turbidity is formed if protein present. Dipstick test. The plastic strip with the cellulose area containing dye and a buffer which reacts with the albumin and gives color. Note: if the urine is acidified, test may be false negative. If the urine is alkaline, the test may become false positive. Semi-quantitative determination of microalbumin. This test is based on the principle of immunochemical reactions. Hence, this test is very specific for albumin and very sensitive. The test strip containing specific antibody for albumin, a substrate and an enzyme. When the strip is dipped in the urine, the albumin reacts with the antibody of the strip and forms a complex. This complex reacts with the substances and forms a red color. This test is useful for early detection of albuminuria, especially in diabetic nephropathy and hypertensive patient. If the result is positive by quantitative tests, then the quantitative estimation is recommended. Estimation for protein urine in biuret method. Micro TP, total protein method. Pyrrolidol red. The reagent consists of a pyrrolidol red molybdenum complex. The complex reacts with the protein, forming a purple color complex which has a maximum absorption of 600 nanometer. Interaction. The determination of total protein content in the urine is important in the evaluation of kidney functions and in diagnosis of kidney diseases. The nephrosis and diabetic nephropathy. In the diagnosis of meningitis, cerebral hemorrhages and other, the determination of total protein content in the cerebral fluid is beneficial along with the quantitation of glucose and chloride. Principle: the pyrrolidol red is combined with the molybdenum acid, forming a red complex with alpha maximum of 470 nanometer. With this complex, it is combined with the protein under acidic condition. Its maximum absorption is shifted to the longer wavelength, and if developed the blue purple color, the concentration of total protein in the sample can be obtained by measuring the absorbance of color solution at 600 nanometer. Specific collection preservation. Either a random or 24 hours urine sample is collected with toluene as a preservative. So the cerebral CSF fluid sample is collected without any contamination by blood component. Samples may be stored at 3 months. Hemoglobin stored about 1/2 color of the albumin. Hematuria present a falsely high value. Copper and iron ions causes error in measurement. Special care should be taken to avoid contamination of the apparatus. Be sure that filter or centrifuge turbid sample before performing the measurement. Concentration in test manual procedure. Test for hemoglobin. Principle: heme protein reacts with the benzene in the presence of H2O2, forming a colored product. Heme of the hemoglobin decomposes H2O2. The liberation of oxygen oxidizes benzene to green color, produces which is unstable. Test for myoglobin. Myoglobin is a protein determined by the immunochemical method, radioimmunodiffusion method. Benzoin protein or light chain fragments immunoglobulins which are extracted in the urine. In some cases, multiple myeloma is discovered in the urine by calcium behavior on heating. Benzoin protein precipitate between 40 to 60 degrees centigrade, but as the temperature increases about 60 degrees centigrade, the protein dissolves. Again, on cooling, the protein gets precipitated. Test for benzoin protein. Broad-Shaw's test. This is preliminary test for BJP. Benzoin protein. The concentration HCl is taken in a test tube to which urine is added drop by drop. If a white ring is formed at the junction of two fluid, it indicates the presence of benzoin protein. If the albumin is high, then also a ring is formed, then it is false positive. So to confirm the presence of benzoin protein, the heating test is performed. Heating this, the urine is acidified with a few drops of 33% acetic acid and heating up to boiling. If the precipitate is formed at boiling temperature, it is due to the albumin. Filter it when it is hot. The filter is allowed to cool. If benzoin proteins are present, it will be precipitated and will remain even if filtered reaches to the room temperature. Protein in CSF. The cerebrospinal fluid is protected in the ventricles of the brain and passes on to the space around the spinal cord. The spinal cord ends near the first lumbar and fluid accumulates below. This is known as lumbar fluid. This is the portion of CSF which is examined in routine cases. It is obtained by passing a needle between the L3 and L4. The total volume CSF is about 130 ml. The normal lumbar CSF has been followed characteristics. The protein concentration is 15 to 45 milligram per deciliter. Glucose concentration is 20 milligram less than plasma glucose. Chloride is about 120 to 130 milli equal per liter. Methods of CSF estimation. Micro TP method can be employed for estimation CSF protein. The protein concentration CSF increase in many series. Some type of brain tumors. Bioroot method. This method detects even small amount of protein. Lowry method. Moulman's method. Principle: the taurocholic acid at 3% concentration produces diversity with protein in CSF, which is composed of a standard in calorimeter. Sulfosalicylic acid method, diabetic method. The protein in CSF or precipitated using the sulfosalicylic acid. The diabetic produce is measured in spectrophoton 60 nanometer. The extent of diabetes is proportional to the protein content. This method is very sensitive and rapid. Color reactions of a protein are made up of amino acids joined by a peptide bond. So protein bond or different amino acid present in the protein gives color product when they react with varieties of reagent. These tests are very important in the detection of amino acids in biological fluid. Some of the tests are useful in the quantitative determinations of a protein and amino acids also. Collectively, these tests are called color reactions of protein. A few tests are given below. Bioroot test. This test is mainly detects the presence of a peptide bond in the protein. The cupric ions in the alkaline condition forms a violet color complex with the peptide bond nitrogen of a protein. The reaction named is dependent on the positive reaction given in the by the Bioroot reagent. Ninhydrin test. The free alpha amino group of protein reacts with ninhydrin and gives a blue color. Sample 1 number 10 drops of ninhydrin, boil it strongly and observe the color. A blue color appears if the solution contains protein with a free alpha amino group. Xanthoprotic acid, aromatic amino acids like tyrosine and tryptophan reacts with nitric acid and gives a yellow color. Sample 2 ml plus 1 ml concentrated nitric acid, boil for a minute and cool under the running water. Observe for color. Yellow color immediately appears if the sample contains either tyrosine or tryptophan. There is further specific test for individual aromatic amino acids. Milon test, Cody test. Tyrosine gives a red color when it reacts with mercury sulfate and sodium nitrate. Sample 1 ml mercury sulfate, 1 ml concentrated sulfuric acid. Appearance of red color indicates the presence of tyrosine. Aldehyde test is specific for tryptophan, which contains indole ring. Sample 1 ml, 1 drop of 0.2% formalin and 1 drop of mercury sulfate. Add concentrated sulfuric acid from the side of the tube. A white ring appears at the junction of two layers if the solution contains tryptophan. Sakaguchi test. This test is specific for arginine, which contains the gonidino group. Procedure: 3 ml of unknown solution, add 3 drops of 40% NaOH, 5 drops of alpha naphthalene and a few drops of bromine water. Red color appears if the solution contains arginine. Sulfur test. Sulfur containing amino acids like cysteine and cysteine are the answer to this test. Procedure: unknown sample 2 ml 40% NaOH, boil strongly, cool under tap water, then add a few drops of lead acetate and mix properly. A brown color appears if the solution contains sulfur containing amino acids. Pauli test. This test detects the presence of tyrosine and histidine. Procedure: 0.5 ml of sulfonilic acid, 0.5 ml 0.5% of NaNO2 and add 1 ml unknown solutions. After 1 to 2 minutes, mix and add 10% of sodium carbonate. Mix again and observe for the color. red color appears if the unknown solution contains a tyrosine or histidine. Molish test. The albumin is known to be a glycoprotein containing carbohydrate and a protein portions. As this test is specific for carbohydrate, the sulfuric acid dehydrates carbohydrates to give a furfural derivatives which condenses alpha naphthalol to give colored compound. Procedure: albumin solution 1 ml, 2 drops of alpha naphthalol, mix and add concentrated sulfuric acid from the side of the tube and observe the reddish violet ring at the junction of two layers.